Welcome to another session of Srinath Recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make an easy potato egg curry for chapati. Grind 1 chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1-inch piece of ginger, 1 green chilli, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Grind this into a fine paste. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now add 1 boiled, peeled and cubed potato. Fry the potato for 2 minutes and take it out. Keep it aside. In the same pan, add the masala paste. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of sugar, and a little salt. Mix well. Cover it and cook this till the tomatoes turn soft. Now add the fried potato and 1/4 cup of boiled peas. Mix well. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 cup of water. When the water starts boiling, reduce the flame. Now add 3 boiled and split eggs. Cook this over low flame till the gravy thickens. Now it is ready. Turn off the flame. This will go nice with chapati or puri. Please try it out and post your feedback.